You might not know another person with a bleeding disorder, and gives you an opportunity to meet that person.
And you might think, oh, we're the only ones stuck in this situation.
There's someone there that's gonna know exactly what you're going through.
You feel like this is not just, oh, woe is me. It's like, oh, okay, we're gonna be okay.
HFA is super excited to be in Cleveland this year. If the terminal tower being lit up in red is any indication, the city has really rolled out the red carpet. You take a look out the window, the views are incredible. This city's incredible.
Welcome to Cleveland!
Symposium is an awesome opportunity for people to come together and engage.
This association is really about bringing people together to really learn from each other and grow from each other's experiences.
We have incredible sessions with great speakers on a myriad of topics. It's intentionally intimate so that then you get the attention that you deserve.
It's all about the support, the education, the advocacy. I would call HFA the biggest resource to the community right now.
There's so many new treatments out there and new options, and you always learn something every time you come to Symposium.
There's just so many opportunities to learn here.
You're part of a community of support and resources that does not end.
We make sure that everyone who comes to HFA feels warm and welcome. People from all different types within the bleeding disorders community feel that there's a place for them at Symposium.
So it's really important to get together with people that have the same situation and can share stories.
I mean, it's been eye-opening just to know that there's hundreds and thousands of people out there that all have the same issue as me, and that we can grow from each other and teach each other things.
Coming to Symposium is gonna feel like the most comfortable event you've ever been to as a new parent. It's literally walking into a convention of over 1,000 people that all know what you're going through and all experience what you do on a day-to-day basis.
I can see my son feeling more normal, which is bringing a lot of joy to me because, you know, he's kind of at that age where it's like, oh, why do I have to have it? You know, why am I different? He said he had so much fun meeting new kids, and Mommy, they all have hemophilia too. It was kind of like a whole new world. I can see him already changed. It's been invaluable.
And one of the most important groups that we bring together are our kids. And a lot of these kids will leave here with friends that they'll connect with throughout the rest of the year and for the rest of their life.
And they not only, you know, have fun and get to form those relationships with other kids, but they also learn about bleeding disorders in a way that is appropriate for that age group.
My favorite part about coming to symposiums is I get to see my friends and people that I haven't seen in a really long time.
Symposium has done a lot for my son, showing him that he's not alone, you know, showing him that because he has hemophilia, it doesn't limit him.
A hemophiliac may be what I am, but it will not define who I am. Thank you. I don't let it limit me. I think it's been a lot of help to some of those moms to hear that my kid can go out and do some really fun and extraordinary things.
The exhibitor hall is open throughout the event, in between sessions, to provide our community members with an opportunity to get to know different partner organizations of HFA.
HFA is incredibly excited to be spending our final night event over at the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame.
I think tonight's event will really highlight and showcase some of the best that Cleveland has to offer.
The opportunity, take a chance and experience Symposium. Give HFA a chance. We won't be disappointed.
The possibilities are endless, and the good times that we're going to have are endless and abundant.